How to delete your Ace crypto wallet account. Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to delete your Ace wallet account. So let's jump to the process. First, open your Ace wallet application on your mobile phone. Now enter your 4-digit code. With this, you'll be able to access your account. Now here you'll be taken to home page. And now tap on 3 lines present at the top right corner. Then tap on settings. Now here you can see delete account. Tap on delete account. Now here you need to first enter your password of your account. So enter your password on the given box. After you do so, tap on submit option. With this, again tap on delete account. With this, now once view through all the information regarding the impacts of deleting the account. Then tap on the given box stating I understand and agree to the terms. Then scroll down and tap on confirm and finish. After you do so, enter your username on the given box. With this, you'll be able to confirm that you want to delete your account. After you do so, tap on delete. With this, now your Ace wallet account will be deleted. Here you can see my Ace wallet account has been deleted and I have been guided to the login page. And this is how you simply delete your Ace wallet account. Hope this video is useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you like our content, make sure you like, comment and share. Thank you.